guys, it's Monkey from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I wanted to ask you what kind of Shopify theme are you using, because this and next month I will be creating step-by-step tutorials on how to customize certain Shopify themes, starting from debut theme, which will be published, the tutorial will be published later this week.
Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales.
I had already quite popular tutorial on how to optimize narrative theme, and the link is up here, so make sure to check it out. But if you are using the Shopify theme that you really love and you would love to receive a tutorial on how to customize it, how to design promo images, where to source the royalty-free images, leave your comment below. Tell me which Shopify theme you're using or which Shopify theme you think of adding, because it can also be tutorial for the theme you've got an eye on and you want to add in the future. So obviously I will be happy to create a tutorial on how to customize it and how to optimize it for SEO. So simply leave a comment below telling me which Shopify theme you love, and the most popular theme will receive the tutorial on this channel. So make sure to leave the comment right now, and I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.
If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye.